you all will be fine at your homes. Welcome to the science class. So kids, now let's start our class with an etiquette. Let's start our class with an etiquette. The etiquette of this week is keep the things at its place after using them. Kids, you should always keep the things at its place after using them. So I hope all of you will follow this etiquette. Good. Now let's move to our GK questions. So kids, now let's see the first GK question. The first GK question is, which is our national flag? I repeat, which is our national flag? Yes, our national flag is tricolor. Our national flag is tricolor. Which is our national flag? Our national flag is tricolor. Good. Now let's see the next question. Which is our national water animal? Which is our national water animal? Yes, our national water animal is dolphin. Our national water animal is dolphin. Repeat again. Our national water animal is dolphin. Good. So these were your GK questions. Now let's learn some sight words. So kids, tell me, which sight word is this? Yes, this is the. Repeat again. The. Repeat again. The. Which sight word is this? The. Good. Now let's see the next sight word. Which sight word is this? See. Which sight word is this? See. Repeat again. See. Repeat again. See. So these two were our sight words. Good. Now kids, it's time to do the revision. It's time to do the revision. So kids, today we will revise about our sense organs. We will revise about our sense organs. So kids, tell me, how many sense organs do we have? Yes, we have 5 sense organs. We have 5 sense organs like eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. And do you know, each organ has a different work to do. Each organ has a different work to do. So let's see. So kids, tell me, what is this? Yes, these are eyes. These are eyes. And do you know, eyes help us to see. Eyes help us to see. Now let's learn the spellings of eyes. E-Y-E-S. E-Y-E-S. Repeat again. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. Now let's learn the spellings of see. S-E-E-C. S-E-E-C. Good. Now let's see the next sense organ. So kids, tell me, what is this? Yes, this is nose. This is nose. And do you know, what do we do from nose? Yes, we take smell from the nose. We take smell from the nose. Now let's learn the spellings of nose. N-O-S-E. Repeat again. N-O-S-E. Nose. Now let's learn the spellings of smell. S-M-E-L-L. S-M-E-L-L. Repeat again. S-M-E-L-L. Smell. Good. Now let's see the next sense organ. What is this? Yes, these are ears. These are ears. And ears help us to hear. Ears help us to hear. So what is the spelling of ears? E-A-R-S. E-A-R-S. R-S, ears. Now, what is the spelling of hair? H-E-A-R. H-E-A-R. Hair. Now, let's see the next sense organ. What is this? Yes, this is tongue. This is tongue. And do you know, kids? Tongue help us to taste something. Tongue help us to taste something. So what is the spelling of tongue? T-O-N-G-U-E. T-O-N-G-U-E. Repeat again. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. And the spellings of taste are T-A-S-T-E. T-A-S-T-E. Taste. Good. So kids, now let's see the next sense organ. What is this? Yes, this is skin. This is skin. And do you know, kids, skin help us to feel something by touching it. Skin help us to feel something by touching it. So, what is the spelling of skin? S-K-I-N. Repeat again. S-K-I-N. Skin. And what is the spelling of feel? F-E-E-L. F-E-E-L. Repeat again. F-E-E-L. Feel. So kids, these were our 5 sense organs. These were our 5 sense organs. I hope all of you have learned about this. Good. So kids, now let's go to the main topic. Now let's go to the main topic. So kids, today we will study about our green friends. What we will study? We will study about our green friends. So tell me kids, do you have any friend? Yes, all of us have many friends. All of us have many friends. So apart from these friends, we have one more friend which we call green friend. And do you know who is this green friend? Yes, these are our plants. We can see these plants around us. And do you know, kids, they are very useful to us. They gives us oxygen to breathe. And they also gives us flowers, fruits, vegetables and wood. They also gives us flowers, fruits, vegetables, wood and many more things. So kids, they are very useful to us. And do you know, these plants are of different sizes. Like big, small and very small. And today we will learn the big plants. So kids, when we go somewhere like garden, park or some other place, or in your houses only, we can see so many big plants. And do you know what these big plants are called? Yes, these are called trees. So kids, a very big plant is called a tree. There are many types of trees. We can see them all around us. So now let's see the examples of the tree. So kids, do you know which tree is this? Yes, this is coconut tree. This is coconut tree. We get coconut from this tree. We get coconut from this tree. So this is called coconut tree. Now let's learn the spellings of the coconut tree. C-O-C-O-N-U-T. C-O-C-O-N-U-T. Repeat again. C-O-C-O-N-U-T. Coconut. And what is the spelling of tree? T-R-E-E. T-R-E-E. Tree. So coconut tree. Good. Now let's see the next example. What is this? Yes, this is mango tree. This is mango tree. We get yummy mangoes from this tree, and I hope all of you like the mangoes. Good. So now let's learn the spellings of the mango tree. M-A-N-G-O. Repeat again. M-A-N-G-O. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. And what is the spelling of tree? T-R-E-E. T-R-E-E. Tree. So let's learn once again. M-A-N-G-O. T-R-E-E. Mango tree. Good. Now let's see the next example. So kids, tell me, which tree is this? Yes, this is banyan tree. This is banyan tree. Banyan tree is our national tree. Banyan tree is our national tree. So now let's learn the spellings of the banyan tree. B-A-N-Y-A-N. B-A-N-Y-A-N. Repeat again. B-A-N-Y-A-N. Banyan. And what is the spelling of tree? T-R-E-E. T-R-E-E. Tree. Let's learn once again. B-A-N-Y-A-N. T-R-E-E. Banyan tree. Good. So kids, now let's see the next example. Which tree is this? Yes, this is neem tree. This is neem tree. And what is the spelling of neem tree? N-E-E-M. N-E-E-M. T-R-E-E. T-R-E-E. Repeat once again. N-E-E-M. T-R-E-E. Neem tree. Good. So kids, these were our some of the examples of the trees. These were our some of the examples of the trees. I hope all of you have learned about this. Good. So kids, now it's time to do the classwork. Now it's time to do the classwork. So kids, open your science notebook. Open your science notebook. Write down the date, classwork. Write down the date, classwork, and note down the title. Match the following. Match the following. So kids, write the names of the sense organs on one side and its use on the other side. Have you done this? Good. Now let's see which is the first sense organ. Yes, it is nose. And what we do from nose? We take smell from the nose. We take smell from the nose. Match the nose with the smell. Good. So kids, like this, you have to do all the other parts by your own. I hope all of you have done this. Now kids, it's time to give you the homework. It's time to give you the homework. So on the next page, write down the homework. On the next page, write down the homework. Write the names of pet animals. Write the names of pet animals. So kids, this was all about your today's class. I hope all of you have enjoyed the class. So kids, now we will meet in the next class. So stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.